Nice little ferry ride. Coming in here, and here we are off at Columbus Cove. So Columbus Cove is definitely beautiful. You get a nice view of the ship. But I think because of the aqua park and the slide and stuff, there's definitely a lot of kids over here. There's a bar. You're looking at souvenirs. They definitely haggle and they all compete against each other. Fair warning. If you're out here at Columbus Cove, there is a tram station because this is the furthest over. Restrooms, you know, taking the tram ride back. Look at all the art though. Alright, now we're gonna head over to Nellie's Beach. This is where the lunch buffet is set up. Sure they would be all here we are at Nellie's Beach. They moved over from Columbus Cove. Slightly less kids here. So these are definitely where the cabanas are. So those are the overwater cabanas. And behind you there's more cabanas that way.